Camera Cookies. My name is Larissa and this is my friend.
Hey.
I'm so thankful that you are here with us today, checking out these amazing, super awesome cookies that I am just so excited to show you.
They've been unboxed!
All the way back in 2023, we had the 30th anniversary of The Day Before Christmas. We just didn't get to the episode, but here we are in 2024 honoring the 30th anniversary of Nightmare Before Christmas. So what we're gonna do today is show you all of the cookies that we made, talk through some merch that we found, right?
There was a lot of good merch!
So, let's get right to it. You watched how we made the teddy, right?
The vampire teddy!
But you're not even ready.
Oh my god.
Right?
Holy crap!
Here's a cookie present box.
Why didn't that one get opened?
All right, watch. You amazed yet?
Oh!
Wow!
It's a box with a lid! Does it have locks? It's filled with a pox?
Like of a pox.
A bow? How ugly!
But the whole thing starts with a box, and no, there is not a pox inside. And
There's
yes,
no box.
This is a cookie. First cookie, which you saw how we made.
Oh! Look at him!
Teddy. Oh my god, I love him.
That was in there?
Yep, all right. The duck. I love
Wait a minute.
him.
Where are those coming from? Oh!
Right?
What?
We got the
Oh,
snake.
there he is!
And then last but not least.
How are you doing this? Oh!
The wreath.
How are you doing this?
These are so
This is crazy!
These were just so fun to make. You have no idea. I loved making these, and I hope if you're a Nightmare fan that you just loved them too, watching them. On our playlist, our Satisfying Cookie playlist, we have how all of these were made, and I really hope you go over there and check it out because I'm super proud of these. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know. Hank, which one's your favorite?
Oh, vampire teddy!
Yeah.
And then the duck!
You know who I like? I like the wreath. I think he's so cute.
You know what's weird?
It's adorable. What?
In the movie, he didn't have teeth.
No, at some point his eyes turned yellow when he got teeth, didn't he?
No, he never had teeth.
Fact checking.
Fact check somebody! I think it's one of those things. What do you call those things that people think is one thing? And it's really something else? Like the Berenstein Bears?
Oh my god, he didn't have teeth?
What's that thing? Like the Berenstein Bears. What is the thing like where people think it's one thing? Like whether or not the Monopoly guy wears a
Oh, a monocle? Or like whether or not it was Luke, I am your father, like that kind of thing?
Yes!
Guys, I need help actually. I really thought that he had teeth. Or have I just seen other things? Like Disney made a wreath and it had teeth, so I guess I just assumed?
Yeah.
Guys, does this wreath in Nightmare Before Christmas actually have teeth at any point?
No, I don't think so.
My mind is blown. We've got some really fun merch to go over with you guys. The one
That one just came out.
I'm wearing, and it actually says
This is the
Nightmare
30th.
Before Christmas 30th anniversary. Hank, you want to tell us where you got this from?
Online. I forget the website. I do a lot of shopping.
Okay, I can link this for you guys, but look, he's like posable. We've had this guy for a while.
That's Teddy!
He was not for the anniversary, but he's Scary Teddy, and
Vampire Teddy.
I call him Scary Teddy. But this came from Shop Disney, like,
Yeah, that's back in the day.
yeah, a few years ago.
This one we gotta give a shout out. We will put the link to the store from Etsy.
It is
All 3D printed.
3D printed. What? What? Are you kidding me?
Look at it, it even looks like wood.
Do you see, like, the detail? I can't. And look, the duck comes off. Let me just show you.
Careful, the wheels fall off. Look, everyone, the wheels fall off.
Sorry, I didn't know. But look at how cool.
Don't be mistaken, this person did a great job. Some people are just bad.
No, like, I should have known. The wheels came off. It looks like wood. Like, it has all the texture. It's absolutely amazing. And then, of course, our duck can sit right back on it. I love this. It's so lightweight because, like,
Yeah,
he
maybe
said,
put it down.
It's 3D printed.
Put it down.
I will link that for you because it's awesome. And the last thing that we have, so this is super old. I don't know if he's available anymore, but I can try to link it for you.
That's my nutcracker.
I think he came from Shop Disney.
I will do my research.
I was going to say he was a Jim Shore, but I don't think so because Jim Shore's name is not on this.
No.
But look at this, right? But look, he actually has the toys with him. So he's got the duck and the wreath, and he's got Scary Teddy, and look, his head bobbles. So this is the coolest thing. If I can find it, I will link it for you. Oh, and also, watch, look at this. Look at this. Where did this come from? Shop Disney?
I don't know.
I will have to try to
It's
find
either
this
Disney or
too.
Box Lunch.
But look at it goes down the sleeves.
Oh, no. This was Hot Topic.
Oh, Hot Topic. Okay.
Hot Topic.
So this came from Hot Topic last
Anything
year.
Nightmare.
2
Hot
years ago.
Topic.
Jack in the Box, the duck, Scary Teddy. Oh my gosh,
They're
it's
all
so
there.
cool. If I can find it, I will link it for you. Okay, yes, we had one other piece of merch to talk about. Guys, we always wind up talking about Loungefly here, so here we go again.
Here we go.
So Loungefly has a 30th anniversary collection, but they were featuring some of the toys that we
Yes.
showed here. So one of the toys, Scary Teddy, look at that backpack.
Look at it!
That's cool because a friend's like a present.
Yes, and actually they made a pin that he pops up out of the pin.
All right, that's awesome. Next, we've got, wow. Okay.
That's one I've never seen until now.
They call him the Undead Duck?
Well, yeah, he's a zombie duck.
I guess so. He's pretty cool.
If you look at the duck, he actually has bullet holes in him.
Whoa.
Maybe he was a duck hunt duck.
Actually, he's a little scary.
Yeah.
All
Look at
right.
that long neck.
Oh, look it. Scary Teddy card holder.
Oh, that's a great
You
one.
know what I like that Loungefly does is where it's not all just like backpacks because how many can you have? I mean, I could have a
Well,
lot.
you can have a lot.
But
You're just not organized.
so those are the Loungeflies.
Like, get it now and put it aside for me.
Which, yes, apparently Hank's accepting mail.
Yes.
Which Loungefly would you want? I'm
I like the teddy.
The duck bag is pretty cool. Like
His neck was crazy.
It was weird. It was weird. All right, guys, this was our episode. I want to thank you so very much for
This was
sticking
awesome.
around with us.
Can you believe it's been 30 years? 30 years.
I know. I feel like really old.
Oh,
I feel so old.
I still remember watching the VHS
Do you know that I remember that too?
when I was a little sock.
I remember when I was really little, my brother and sister went to go see The Night Before Christmas in the movie theater, and they invited me, of course, and I was too scared. I thought, and I vividly remember saying no, because if I go to see that movie, then I'm gonna get A Night Before Christmas.
Oh, I remember when it came out in 3D.
Oh, I don't remember that.
The 3D release was awesome.
Oh, I don't remember that.
Yeah.
Do you remember a 3D element? Like what do you
Yeah,
remember?
they actually, the poster was all the characters in the movie theater watching it in 3D glasses.
Oh, that's cute.
So when they pulled stuff out of the boxes in the Making Christmas, they totally came at you on the screen.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thank you so much. Be on the lookout for many more videos to come. If you have any suggestions about future videos that you would like to see, let us know. Like,
Yes.
I'm talking like any ideas that you have. Some kind of cool TV show, movie, like cartoon, whatever it is you want to see.
Got a
Let
whole
us
fresh year ahead of
know.
us.
Yes, we have 365-ish.
364.
Yes, this is why you're my friend.
Yes.
Yes. We have so many days ahead of us to go and make all this cool content for you. So let us know. Be sure to follow on Instagram and TikTok and Hank's Instagram.
Yes.
And like, subscribe, and hit the
Ding.
for notifications. And we will see you next time.
Yes,
Cookie
baking
friends.
up new episodes in the new year.
Bye.
Yay! David Blaine stuff going on. Fact check.
The box.
A box? Son of a bitch!
But why?
What's in it?
How ugly. What's in it?
Hold on.
Okay,
That's the point of the thing, not to know.
Oh, brother, we tried.